Students, good evening. It's audible, right? Hello. Students, okay. I am Ajay Ramesh, SAP SD trainer. So I have 10 years experience in training, and I am currently working as SAP SD team lead and SAP SD consultant. So that is my profile. So are you pressure or express SAP students? Anybody done some experience in SAP SD, some other module? Anybody working as the end user? Okay. Otherwise, are you pressure in SAP? Okay, I think you're precious, right? Somebody is sending a message. Okay, so yes, okay, somebody is saying it's a pressure on, right? Okay. Okay, friends, I think we all are pressure, right? So, okay, this is complete into SAP SD demo section. So, in this section, I'll explain to you what is SAP, what is ERP, SAP modules, boundary of session distribution, course content, and SAP SD roles and responsibilities, and how to prepare this course, SAP SD features. Okay, I'll explain all these topics in this section. So, you're learning SAP, right? Okay, somebody working as end user, great. Okay, somebody working as end users. Okay, okay. So you're learning SAP, right? Our question, you're learning SAP means our question is what is SAP? Suppose your friends asking, your the neighbors asking, relatives asking something, right? You're learning SAP, what is SAP here? That is a big question. So what is SAP? You open Google or YouTube, it is saying also SAP stands for System Application for Data Processing. SAP stands for simply SAP stands for System Application Ports for Data Processing. System Application SAP stands for System Application Ports for Data Processing. Suppose if you open Google, it's showing same thing, right? So, but our question: what is SAP exactly? What is System Application Ports? What is data processing? These are question, right? So, what is SAP exactly? What SAP does? That is our question. So SAP stands for System Application for Data Processing. What is this? What is System Application Processing? What is data processing? So that is our question. So what is System Application Processing here? What is System Application Processing here? So next you can see System Application Products here. System Application Products. System Application Products. So what is System Application Products? Sales. System Application Product. Sales, production, and accounts. Okay, accounts, inventory, and HR. These all are system application products. So what these system application products for data processing? System application products means sales, production, accounts, inventory, and HR. So they are the system application products. So these system application for data processing. What is data processing here? What is data processing? That is data processing, right? Next, data processing. What is data processing? So our question is what is data processing? So these system application products, they are system application products, right? These system application products, data processing. So these system application for data maintained in SAP, they are stored in SAP. That's called data processing. So these system application for data maintained in SAP. Okay, so data maintained in SAP. Data maintained in SAP. Maintained in SAP. That is called system application products. That is called data processing. Why data maintained in SAP? For reporting purpose. Why data? Data required for reporting, for reports only, for analysis purpose, data, for analytics purpose. Okay, so in this purpose, you can maintain data in SAP. So data processing is simply data maintained in SAP. Why data maintenance SAP? For reports, for analysis, for analytics. So real system application. Now you can understand, right? What is SAP exactly? So SAP stands for System Application for Data Process. That means sales, production, accounts, inventory, HR, all data to maintain SAP. Why means to provide reports. So our question, which reports want to provide? That is right. Somebody asking why okay, so which reports want to provide? Yes, okay, I will provide you. Suppose today's sales, what is today's sales information? Today's sales as on date, as on time. As on time means today up to what is the time today? 8 p.m. right? What is today's sale here? Today 8 p.m. What is the sales here? So today's sale something we have 125 point okay 35 lakh course. This is today's sales at 8 p.m. So what is the sales in 9 p.m.? Today only 9 p.m. sale. The sales should be 130.95 course 9 p.m. So system provide accurate information. Why data maintenance means so system will provide, you can analyze the data. So data provide. So SAP provide accurate data as on date, as on time. So in this purpose, we require SAP. Now understand, right? What is SAP here? Okay, so next, what is SAP? We understand, right? What is SAP? Why SAP is required? So now our question is, what is SAP exactly? It is hardware or a software or a package or language, right? So now SAP is an ERP software. Is SAP is an ERP software. So our next question immediately asking, what is ERP? Our next question immediately asking, what is ERP? What is ERP is? ERP means here enterprise resource planning. ERP means enterprise resource planning. ERP means enterprise resource planning. Yes, what is enterprise resource planning? Everything question only. What is enterprise resource planning? What is enterprise? So take an example here. Suppose I want a new company here. I want to start new company. Then what is ERP? New company. The company is ABC Tested Private Limited. Company name is ABC Tested Private Limited. So take one example so you can understand what is ERP. So take an example here. So take some one table here. So enterprise planning 1, 2, 3, right? 4, 5. Okay, now enterprise. Next resource here. Next resource. So then your planning. Next SAP model. SAP model. So what is enterprise? So any company or any organization called enterprise. Suppose Reliance Enterprise. Okay. Suppose Tata Enterprise, Colgate Enterprise, Maruti Enterprise, Hero Enterprise, BMW Enterprise. Simply any company, any organization or any one form called enterprise. So here I want to start new company, right? What is enterprise here? ABC Treasury Company Enterprise. So next, what is resource here? I want to start new company, right? If you want to start new company, what is required? I require some resources, right? So these resources money, I require money is the major resource. Suppose I have only 5 crores of money. So next, what is this? Okay, oh, I have only money. Okay, that next is manpower, right? For manpower, also required manpower also. Next, required material. I required material. I required machinery. I required machinery. I required methodology. So if I want to start a company, I require these resources. This is called resource only. Yes, I have so much resources here. Next, what is planning? Suppose if I want to start a company, I require 10 crores of money, but I have only 5 crores, right? What you will do here? This purpose, I am taking bank loan. I am taking so finance from so institution. This is called how do you invest to into company? That is called financial planning. So how do you invest to into company? That is called financial planning here. That is called financial planning. Next, you can see manpower. So for your company, how many employees required for manufacturing, for production, for inventory, for sales, for daily labor? That is called HR planning. So HR will decide how many employees required. Next, material, where you procure quality of material. This is raw material planning. Next, machinery, where you procure quality of machineries. This is engineering planning. The next methodology, what your product design is called production planning. This is called production planning. This is called production planning. Okay. So next, this is about planning only. So all financial planning FPCO consultant in real time. Okay. All HR plan dealing with HR means manpower planning, HR planning with SCM consultant, human capital management. So raw material plan dealing with consultant, material management. So engineering planning, machinery issue dealing with PM consultant, plant maintenance. So production plan dealing with PP consultant. Sales and marketing dealing with SD consultant. Your sales and marketing dealing with SD consultant. Dealing with SD consultant. So you can see. So SAP, SAP is a ERP software, right? ERP dealing all the company department. ERP dealing finance department, HR department, innovate department, engineering department, product department, sales department. So that's why ERP has more demand market. So that's why ERP has more demand in the market. So SAP is an ERP software. So our question is how many ERPs are available in market? Our question is how many ERPs are available in market? So next you can see ERP software in the market. ERP softwares. So SAP, right? SAP ERP software. So next ERP is Oracle. Then PeopleSoft. Then PeopleSoft. And J Edwards. JD Edwards. These all are ERP software. Important ERP software. So out of these all ERPs, SAP should be 80%. You're learning SAP, right? Why many people learning SAP means SAP share 80%. SAP using many companies. SAP using many clients. SAP market share is 80%. SAP market share is 80%. So that's why many companies using SAP. So it's about ERP. Suppose you're learning SAP right here. Yeah, Salesforce means SD only. Okay, so Salesforce not a software, that is only sales issue. Okay, next you're learning SAP, right? Next SAP models. There is somebody asking which model learning SAP. So next one is SAP model. So in SAP we have two models, that is technical and functional. Technical and functional. What is technical? What is functional? So technical and functional. Second model called functional model. What is technical? What is functional? So for this technical, they will write coding and programming. For technical consultants, they will write coding and programming. They will write coding and programming. So what is only you have one model is that is called above. Above will write coding and programming. For technical, above will write coding and programming. The only one model available that is called. What is above meaning here? Advanced business is advanced business application programmer. This is called above. So real time, this above consultants will write coding and programming. This is called above one. This is called technical. That is called technical. So next model is functional model. So for functional model, coding is not required. Suppose if you join as a functional model, coding is not required. What is functional here? In this functional model, simply provide business solutions. So functional model, they will provide only business solutions. There is no coding for functional. They will provide business solution here. Business solutions. There is no coding for functional models. So these functional models are, you can see. So these functional models are SD, MM, FI, CO, and PP, and SCM. They are the functional models. So what is HD? What is SD here? So this is sales distribution. So SD means simply basically works in order to cash process. So what is order to cash process? Customer place the order. Customer purchasing on mobile, customer purchasing on laptop, customer purchasing on refrigerator, one bike, car, something. So customer will place the order. So company will distribute the goods to customer. So next MM process. What is MM process? Procure to process. Procure to pay process. So in this process, company will procure after the vendor. Company will procure raw material vendor. So company will raise PO to vendor. Company will raise PO to vendor. This is called MM process. That is called MM process. So next you can see FICO. What is FICO here? FICO consultant responsible for all the financial issues. FI role is simply responsible for financial issues. FI is dealing all the financial issues here. Dealing all the financial issues. Yes. For sales and marketing value is only SD. But sales and marketing value is only SD only. So FICO dealing only financial issues. Dealing FICO dealing all financial issues. Okay, next PP model simply handling MRP for design MRP. So I will explain to you what is the importance of SDMM, okay, for design and MRP things. MRP only. So SCM model handling employee payroll, hiring and firing. Employee payroll and pass administration. So they are the models in SAP. Functional. Suppose if you join a functional model, you don't have any coding here. There is no coding and programming. So for functional model, there is no coding and programming here. Simply business solutions. That is, if you join any FICO, PP, SCM, simply there is no coding here. There is no coding and programming. Only business solutions. So they are the models in functional. So apart from this, we have some admin models also. That is called support models. That is also next you can see support models. So the support model means not much important like a technical functional. Support model means we have security and basis and these teams. 1 minute. So next model is support models. So the support consultants will help to consultants only. SD is functional and so technical only. So these models are support models, right? These support models you can see security and basis and PIPO. So what is security? Resolving SAP names. Resolving SAP username and password. Suppose if you get any password issue in SAP, you can contact the security people. Username and password issues. Assign roles only. This is SAP. Next, basis control only handling server issues. Basis team simply handling server issues, server related issues. That basis team. And moving tiers, moving transport request. Moving tiers means simply moving tiers to. So in SAP, we have these servers. Introduced servers also development server. Next, production server. Sorry, quality server, production server. Quality server. Next, production server. So these are the servers in SAP. Suppose if you learn SAP, so these are the servers. Okay, you can configure into development, quality. So all configuration only, all the configuration done only development server. So once on the those configuration move to quality for testing. Suppose testing pass. So those configuration move to production. So they are the support models. So just support to consultants and users only. It's not a mainstream. They can support to consultants and users only. They are the models. They are the models only. Next, basis team handling on server issues. PAP means simply integration model. Integration of SAP and web application. So they are the models, students. They are the models in SAP. So they are the models in SAP. So any doubts, any questions, of course you can ask. So just now I explained to you what is SAP, what is ERP and SAP models only. So next go to our models, sales and distribution here. So next our model of sales and distribution. Sales and distribution. This is our model, right? Sales and distribution. So we can discuss about sales and distribution. What is sales and distribution? Somebody asking, right? Yeah, what is the importance of sales and distribution? Something. Okay, we'll discuss more about now sales and distribution. So what is sales and distribution here? What is sales and distribution? So only SD model is important, right? That is depends upon somebody asking. So as per my side, SD is more demand. So okay, I will clarify to you why SD is more demand. So I just introduced to you students. Why not continue? Okay, so next you can see our model is sales and distribution. So somebody asking why SD is more important compared to the remaining model. Every model is there, the importance is there, but compared to few models are more weightage compared to other model. But every model is important. So just I introduced you order to cash process, then go to why SAP is more demand. Okay. So what is order to cash process? So this is called as a sales order, outbound and billing. outbound delivery and billing. This is called order to cash process. Creating sales order. So outbound delivery and billing. This is called order to cash process. So SAP SD so basically works in order to cash process. So in SAP SD, everything you can see real-time example. Suppose you are going to shopping mall purchase on some products. That is SD only. Suppose take an example here, you can understand here. So take one example. Suppose I am the customer. I want to purchase a Samsung mobile. I want to purchase Samsung mobile. The cost would be 25,000. So immediately I open Amazon website here. Amazon website applies the order Samsung mobile through integration. The Samsung using SAP. So this integration, this that Amazon orders goes to Samsung sales department. Samsung sales billing employee sales department receive the receive orders. Samsung sales department stock is available, so they can deliver goods to customer. Delivery happen. They create invoice also. That invoice, how much amount to create invoice? 25,000 invoice created. That invoice amount will hand out to customer. So customer received the mobile, paid the amount. That is called customer paid 25,000. So this is called order to cash process. So I am the customer, I required Samsung mobile. I open Amazon website, place the order. This Amazon, Flipkart, or Myntra, Meesho, one is service provider. The manufacturing company Samsung, right? The manufacturing company stock it there, manufacturing company will distribute the goods to customer, hand over invoice through Amazon employee. So once customer paid the amount, the cycle completed. This is called order to cash process. So this is called order to cash, standard order to cash process. We call it as a OTC process. This is called order to cash process. Or called as a OTC process. We call it as online sale. Same thing. Online sale, same thing, right? It's called online sale. Same thing. Once you place the order and so on to the website, so the customer, the company will deliver goods to customer, right? This is called order to cash process. Somebody asks, so I am the customer here. I place the order Samsung mobile. That is cost 25,000. I open Amazon website, I place the order through integration. That all Amazon orders goes to Samsung sales department. Samsung sales department will deliver the goods to customer, hand over invoice. Customer paid the amount. This cycle completed. So this is called order to cash process. Okay. So somebody asking what is the importance of SDMM, right? Okay. Suppose take example here. Suppose the Samsung. Take example here. Okay, Dell laptop. More demand in Dell, right? Suppose Dell company they're selling laptops. Okay. Dell laptops. So take example here. So Dell laptops, okay. So this 2020, take example for 2020. So that year, okay, Dell company manufacturing, they sell 10 lakhs laptops and they across the world something. They sold 10 lakhs laptops. So in this scenario, they're using SAP. Dell is a manufacturing company. They're using SAP. So those 10 lakhs 10 lakhs laptops sold that year. Okay, the target. 10 lakh laptops sold. So this all information came in SAP only. So in this purpose, they required the 100 SD consultants, for example. So in this purpose, they required 100 SD consultants. 100 SD consultants. 100 SD consultants, something. Suppose this Dell company in 2023, you can see 2021, they targeted here 20 lakhs laptops. That is also sold. Okay. That is for example, I'm taking for example. So in this scenario, how many SD consultants required? They enter, they need to handle all the issues required 200 SD consultants. Okay. In 2022 also every year. So why company they're thinking every year they want to increase sales, right? 2022 they increase more sales. They want to sell more products. You want to add the customer sale. The sales employee then sell 30 lakh laptops here this year. So in this required, how many required? 300, right? 300 SD consultants required. So next year, okay, this year they targeted 40 lakhs. Okay, this year 2023, they required how many required? 40 lakhs. They want to sold 40 lakhs targeted. So in this now they required 400 SD consultant, right? 400 SD consultant. So sold here, they involve sales. Okay, so anywhere in the sheet, they sold. Once they sold means company get the profit. Sold, right? They sold only. This is unprocessing. So once who is sold here? Sales employees. Sales employees sold the products. Once sales employees sold this product, is all information through enter only SAP. This is all information they can handle by SD consultants. So any issues happen, so on and so on. Everything handled by SD consultant. More sales means require more SD consultants. Suppose more sales, right? They require more SD consultants. More SD consultant. More SD consultant. That is the way. That is the weightage of SD. SD consider. So one more thing I'll tell you, in anywhere in the world, two persons are important, two departments are very important. One is the manufacturer, one is the manufacturer. Any industry, wherever you go in the world, that manufacturer, right? That manufacturing products, that manufacturing. Students, 1 minute only. That manufacturing only important. 1 minute. And చెప్పండి. ఓకే అలాగే. అలాగే. Okay, now you can see, students, more sales means more. So two things are important. That is the manufacturer. Suppose then 10 lakhs tell manufacturing done. Without manufacturing, can't able to sell, right? Manufacturer important. So suppose once manufacture the products, they need to sell, right? Sale important. Sales important. There is no sales, there is no profit, right? So anywhere in industry, the manufacturer the first priority. So once we manufacturing 10 lakhs, suppose this year 23 lakh, the manufacturing 40 lakhs. So these 40 lakhs laptop need to sold to customers. Then only company get the profit. That means they require the sales is the major priority here. Sales is the major priority. But this is called mainstream. Sales is mainstream. If you sell the products, okay, accounts will come into picture. Accounts will come into picture. Why accounts come into picture here? They can analyze, right? What are the profit? Okay, sold 40 lakhs laptops. What are the profit? What is the loss of the company? Okay. So why MM is required? MM people required. MM people, what they will handle? They require raw material. MM will purchase raw material. So raw material only. MM people will purchase raw materials. MM people purchase raw material from vendor. From vendor only. From vendor. So in this purpose, a company need to pay the amount to vendor. So company is thinking to get the amount from the customers. But your company raw material purchase on vendor only. MM people responsibility is to purchase raw material. MM is simply raw material purchase from vendor only. So in this purpose, company need to pay the amount to vendor. So this is MM process. MM process reverse to SD process. So MM process means what will do MM here? Company will pay the amount to vendor. Company will pay here. Company will pay. So here Dell company will pay the amount to vendor. Company will pay here. Company will pay to vendor. But what is SD process? SD process, customer will pay the amount to customer need to pay the amount to company. So SD process means what happened? For sales orders, for orders, for orders, customer will pay the amount to customer will pay amount to company. So SD process, company got the product or profit, right? Customer will pay amount to company. So that's why SD is the main scheme. So without SD, there is no profit. Without sales, company did not more profits. So yes, sales is the main scheme. Somebody asked me, please cover how SD implement in SAP system. Okay. So this is the clarification. Why SD is more demand? Why every model has importance is there compared to remaining model. SD is more weightage. Suppose if you go to any project, SD is more team. SD is SD members are more team members. Okay, students. Okay, next go to our this is overview. Okay, you're learning. So you can see this order to cash process, right? You can see one more order to cash process here. Yes, so many process I will teach you. Suppose written order here. Suppose any parts are damaged. Written order. Any parts are damaged here. So what you will do? Suppose some parts are damaged. Any parts are damaged. Any parts are damaged. Company will give the complaint, right? Customer will complaint here. Simply customer will give the complaint. Customer will give complaint. This is also order to cash process complaint. So based on customer complaint, company create written order. Company refund the amount. Company create written order. Company will create a written order. Written order. So this is also order to cash process. Suppose I am taking bank loan. That is called rush order. Suppose I go to shopping malls, purchasing immediately. What that is called cash sale. This is also order cash process. What is cash sale here? Suppose I go to DMart, to Value Mall, shopping malls. So once you purchase products, they ask you money immediately. That is called cash sale. So pay the money, and pick the product immediately. This is called cash sale. Pick the product immediately. Pick the product immediately. This is also order cash process. So SAP SD. So related to only real-time examples only. Real-time same process. SAP SD always only you can you are doing online sales, you are doing retail sales, same thing. SAP SD to only your real-time examples. Cash sale, pay the money, so pick them up immediately. Example is DMart. If you go to DMart, you will get one invoice print, right? DMart value, but SAP only. Yeah, value mart. Okay. Shopping malls immediately can pay the money. Whatever you purchase, pay the money immediately. That is called cash share. So SAP SD, everything you can see real-time examples. So that's why you can easily understand this concept in SAP SD. Not only SD, even FI, and every model you can understand easy. But this is related to your sales, right? You can understand very simple and easy way. Suppose you want to I want to pay the money monthly EMI. That is called rush order. You want to take a car loan, house loan. That is called rush order. Rush order means what happened? So customer got the product immediately. Customer got the product immediately. Got the product immediately, and invoice letter. So this is example of EM payment. Suppose next example is I'm taking home loan, car loan. Suppose I want to purchase a car. The cost should be 40 lakhs, 30 lakhs. I want to take a bank loan. I want to purchase one house. So that is car loan, so the car loan, house loans, etc. So this is EMI payments, monthly EMI payments. Whatever you pay the EMI, that comes under rush order only. This is also order to cash process. So SAP, SD, everything you can see your real-time examples. So this is only sales only. Suppose you done so sales, that is comes under SD only. You can enter all things SD only. So this is about the order to cash process, students. This is about order to cash process. Okay. So next, somebody asking how to configure SAP. That means you go to next course content here. That is called as a course content. So I have okay. You want to see configuration also? I will show you. This is you can see SAP screen, right? So this is SAP screen. You can see this is a document flow here. So this is a regular document here. So this is a document flow. So now you can see order to cash procedure. This is SAP here. Now you can see document flow. You can create order, delivery, billing. You can see sales order, right? This is sales order completed today or delivery completed, invoice also completed. So this is called order to cash process. Order, delivery, invoice. So this is called order to cash process. So SAP SD, so basically works in order to cash process. This is a document flow. This is called OTC process, order to cash process. Order to cash process, order, delivery, billing. So this is SAP screen here. So now you can see order to cash process. So if you want to, so our task is create invoice only. That is our task. Order, delivery, billing completed. So our task completed here. Customer placed the order. Customer purchasing these products. We deliver the goods to delivery means this products and to the customer. Next, that invoice only. Customer need to pay this amount. How much amount you will pay here? Customer need to pay this amount only. This is the amount. How many products you taken? T-shirts. How many quantity you taken? 2 T-shirts, right? This is the quantity. This is the amount. So this is billing here. SAP SD basically works in order to cash process. Next, course content. Learning SAP, right? What is the course content SD? Course content SD only. SD course, SD content. Next, SD course content. Suppose if you learn SD means what your course content. So suppose if you want to configure any implementation project, also our first topic is enterprise structure. Our first topic is enterprise structure. Simply company structure. Simply company structure here. So in this course, I will explain to you all modules enterprise structure. SD, MM, FICO, PP. I will explain to you all modules. So in this course, I will explain to you not only SD, some parts of MM, PP, FICO also. Design, define and assign enterprise structure. So define and assign enterprise structure. So okay, this is about the enterprise structure. So this is our first topic. So we're asking configurations, right? For implementation point or first topic enterprise structure here. You need to configure the enterprise structure. Second topic, master data. Once you done this topic, immediately go to next topic is master data. What is master data? In SAP point of view, we have master data. They are called customer master, material master. This is customer master. Simply customer basic information. Customer name, customer mobile number, email ID, address. That is called customer master. So next topic is material master. Next one is material master. Simply product data, product features, product weight, product cost, something, product offers also, middle master, middle details. So next pricing master. What is pricing master? What is the base price or discount, tax, something, discount and tax something. This is called pricing master. Next, output master here. What is output master here? Suppose output is a printout, output is email, printout output. You taking the printout invoice, right? That is mail output. That is called output master. Next, same here. This is called customer met info records. Whenever customer places a word number, you use same here. Customer info records. So this is master data. So after master data, our next topic is sales documents. Sales document classified into three types. So we need to configure customer master point of view fields. The next implementation means implementation point next topic is sales documents. So sales document classified into three types. Next one is sales documents here. So these sales documents classified into three types. The sales documents are classified into here three types. That is called sales document type. Sales document type. So delivery document types and billing document types. Sales delivery, billing document types. So what is sale document types here? Sale document types contain header, item, and schedule lines. What is header means? Suppose you go to shop, you purchase all items. These total items per order called header. Item means each product. For delivery billing contain only header item only. For delivery billing contain only header item. There is no schedule lines. Header item. Okay, this is about sale documents. Header means total items for order. Item means each product. Schedule means customer request confirm the quantity. Customer request date and confirm the quantity. Okay, we discussed in the class what is the sale documents. This is configuration only. Sales delivery billing documents. So after sales document configurations, just go to basic function. What is basic function here? Simply sales called as sales order functions. So when you're creating sales order, system will determine this function. It's called sales orders function. This is called basic function. You can configure here pricing here. How to configure pricing? This is completely configuration. Pricing configuration. How to configure output as a printout, email is output determination. Next metal determination. Next route determination. Next test determination. Next account determination. It's all determination only. All determinations. Configure. Next credit management need to configure. The next availability check need to configure. Or not required, as per the client requirement, need to configure. Availability check, transfer of requirement, cross-selling, and listing and exclusions, listing and item proposal. So delivery scheduling, incompletion log, incompletion item log also it is. So they are the basic functions. So after need to, as per the client requirement, need to configure this basic function. So after basic functions, next configuration is business process here. The next configuration is simply business process. So as per the client requirement, need to configure business process. So what is the business process here? That is called as a cash, order to cash process is the business process. OTC process are called as order to cash process. This is called as an order to cash process. Next called as a cash, pay the money, so pick it up immediately. That's called cash only. So next one is rush order, monthly payments called rush order. Next return order, any person invoice to create return order. Next any invoice collection, create a date memo request, credit debit memo request here or request. So next free of charge delivery, free of charge sending sample customer, free of charge delivery. So next third party sales, third party this is not mandatory, optional only. Third party sales, IPO sales, intercompany sales here. Intercompany means two companies involved. Intercompany sales. Next stocks transfer order. Okay, the other business process. Next consignment sales. make to order. They all come from business process only, make to order. So after this sales documents, our next topic is SAP business process, SAP projects. Our topic is SAP project. You're learning SAP, right? SAP projects only. SAP projects. So in SAP, we have these projects. Implementation project. We need to implement everything here. Implementation project. We need to cover everything here. Implementation project. So next support project here. Support project means SAP already implemented, you can support only. Suppose you take a new car, require some support, right? Any repair happen, any servicing happen. You require help from the mechanic, right? At the same time, once SAP implementation done, they require support. Next, rollout project. Suppose new plan started here, we will configure new plan. Suppose business will expand, they want to expand business to US, UK, we will configure for US, UK locations. So next, upgrade project. So client will upgrade technology. Upgrade project. So client will upgrade technology. Is it SAP S4HANA? So these are SAP projects. So next, conversion interfaces. So next topic is conversions and interfaces. So what is conversion here? Simply upload data to SAP system using LSMW here, LSMW and BDC, LSMW and BDC. So data uploading SAP system. Data uploading. Which data? Legacy data, non-SAP data. Legacy data uploading into SAP. Okay, this is called conversions. So next interfaces here using IDOC and ALE, called as IDOC. Okay, this is not our topic. Complete some. This is the integration of above also. IDOC and ALE. IDOC. So simply, so your data transfer from SAP to SAP, the data transfer from SAP to SAP, and SAP to non-SAP data transfer. Non-SAP to SAP of the data transfer. Non-SAP to SAP. This is called interfaces. So okay, this is course content, students. So in this all SD module syllabus you cover. Yes, I'll cover all SD modules. Pratibha, Dikshita, it is okay. Sales knowledge to learn. Not required sales knowledge here. So suppose if you want this, if you want to learn this course, sales knowledge not at all required. Okay, even you are a fresher or expert, no issue. Sales knowledge not required. I will explain to you very simple and easy way. Okay, so this course I will explain to you live project. Suppose once you done this course, once you join SAP, your job is SAP. What are your roles and responsibilities here? Suppose once you learn this course, you will be joined in IT companies only. You will be placed in IT companies. So that role, what is the role is here? Once you learn this course, your role is once you join any IT company, your role is SAP consultant, called as a SAP consultant. So what is your role here? You will be placed in either implementation or support project. Suppose you got a job in implementation. What is your role? Suppose you got a job in support project. What is the role here? So your role is support project or implementation project. Suppose you got a job in implementation project. So what you will do? I explained to you, right? All these concepts. Need to configure here all the client business process. Need to configure all client business process. That is called implementation process. Suppose you got job in support projects. Need to resolve client issues. Need to resolve here. Need to resolve day-to-day client issues. Day-to-day client issue. So this is your role. So what is the client issue? Suppose the order completed. Okay. Delivery not done, not completed. This is the issue. Delivery not done. So this is what are the issues? Right? Stock is not there. The solution is stock is not there. Stock is not available. Stock is not available. This is the issue. You can find out this issue. Solution. The solution is simply can give a solution. Stock is not available. Discuss to MM. So this solution. So if you learn this course, once you get a job in SAP, these are roles and responsibilities. The other roles and responsibilities, students. So you can ask any questions now. Any doubts, questions? I have one doubt. Okay, people saying for pressures it's difficult for job. And no, that is not true. Okay, even a pressure or experience also you get a job. So that pressure, even your experience or pressure, you can get a job. So that is The pressures are difficult. That is not a okay. Pressures also have jobs, right? So companies hiring pressures also. So next, how to learn this course? How to any doubts? Any coach can ask students how to learn this. How to learn SD? How to learn? Not only SD, any model. So if you want to learn SD, if you want to grow this model, you can see. So you need to follow only 3 steps here. That is, need to understand client business process. Need to understand client business process. This is the first step. So I will explain to you the business process in depth. So those client business process mapping in SAP, those client, business process will mapping into SAP. Will mapping into SAP. That is second step. Third one is suppose 1 hour class done. Suppose 1 hour class. So today 1 hour class done completed. 1 hour class. So 1 hour need to practice. 1 hour need to read also. At same time practice also. No need to spend 24 hours here. Suppose you want to. This course will be cover GST part also. No GST part. Yes, required GST also. Yes, will explain to you, but GST not a mandatory. Okay, GST also explain to you required. Currently, I'm working in one company, but how can I cover my experience? Will count my experience there? Somebody asking. So you can okay, yeah, you can put your experience also. So earlier that is called domain experience. So that is domain experience also you can put it. Suppose yeah, this course not only for freshers. Suppose even experienced people can learn. They can learn. Anybody can learn, but that proper knowledge is okay. So you need to do good practice also here. So suppose once you join this course, you need to learn this topic. So you need to understand the client business process. You need to configure, need to practice. Which the top companies are hiring, particularly freshers. Yeah, the hiring, even all are hiring. TCS hiring, Wipro hiring, and Infosys also hiring. Okay, Infosys also hiring. Tech Mahindra also hiring. Many companies hiring freshers also. They are also hiring. Okay.
What about S4 HANA? Will you cover S4 HANA in this?
Yeah, this is S4HANA only. So this is for SAP S4HANA only. This is SAP. This course is SAP S4HANA only. This course in SAP S4HANA only students. So this course will complete in SAP S4HANA. This is complete. You will get served in SAP S4HANA only. So this is a SAP S4HANA course only student. Don't about that. SAP S4HANA course only. So, but I will explain to you both. So, but I will teach both ECC and SAP S4HANA. So I will teach both ECC and S4. Why? Because so this is the basic concept. So in this course, I will explain to you SAP S4. This is completely SAP S4 HANA, but I will teach both ECC also. Some parts of ECC I will explain to you. Why? Because so suppose if you get a job, if you go to any interview, they'll ask what difference between ECC and SAP S4 HANA. The difference you need to understand difference. The difference between ECC and HANA. ECC and S4. You can understand the difference. So for this purpose, 80% same. 80% is the same only. 80% same. Only 20% different. Only 20%. So those difference need to understand. What are the differences of ECC and SAP S4 HANA? Okay. Approximate package for the freshers. Will you access the demo server for the practice? Yes, you can get demo server. So yeah, somebody asking for the freshers package, right? So freshers package. So you're running S4, right? Freshers package start from 4 to 6 lakhs per annum for freshers. Okay, 4 to 6 lakhs per package for freshers. So that is 1 year gap is not mandatory. That is gap is not a mandatory. Gap is no issue. Gap is not an issue. Gap is not an issue. Even if you have 2 years, also no issue. 2 years also no issue. 3 years also no problem. 2 years, 3 years have no problem. There's no issue. So gap is no issue here. In software, you can join anywhere. You can take a gap of 2 years, 3 years, no issue. So 2 to 3 years not an issue here. No issue. 2 to 3 years, 4 years, no issue. Okay, if you get a gap is 2 years, no issue, no problem. You can join. You can join this course. Diksha, okay. Any doubts? Any course you can ask students. Any doubts? Any questions you can ask. So you can ask any questions, any doubts, even any doubts you can ask about SAP course, the features, okay, responsibilities, something, any doubts. Okay. Somebody asking, are you from Hyderabad? Yes, I am from Hyderabad only. Yes, students, I am from Hyderabad only. Yes. Somebody asked, do you get a SAP certificate after completion? Yes, you can apply the certification also. You can apply the certificate also. So we'll get a global certification. So this Henry has been provided the certification also. You can write a global examination. Yes, ma'am. Not certificate not mandatory. Yes, sir. This is okay. You can see certificate is not mandatory. Certificate is not mandatory for job purpose. Not only anywhere mandatory. Certificate not mandatory. Suppose you have certificate, you don't have knowledge, right? So your important knowledge only. When I will this batch will going to start. A global certificate, recognized certificate. Yes, the global is a the global certificate, but no use. So even okay, somebody learn say somebody done certification, there is no knowledge. They can't able to get jobs, right? After course, how many attempts are giving for certification here? That attempt means we have six attempts out there. In this attempt, you can get a certificate. Complete MBA, marketing network, but not work anywhere, I am pressure, any issue. No issue. Okay, if you complete your education 2021 or 2020, also no issue. Study material. So in this course, I will provide I will provide study materials. I will provide study material, classroom notes also. I will give you complete everything. I will prepare resume preparation. Everything is there. I will provide the material also. Server access provide. Yeah, you will get a server access. You will get SAP S1 server access. So this batch will start by this month ending, I think. This month end start. This month end start this batch. 2018 password. Okay, password 1 year experience will there be issue? No issue. Even 2018 also can join. So the no issue, no problem. For 2018 also no problem. No issue. So no issue. You can join this course. Duration of this course. Duration is this 44 to 50 hours only. 44 hours, I think. 44 hours. 44 to 50, 45 hours duration. So how is the placement? Yeah, Henry will provide placement. What will be fee for SD course? So that fees issue you can discuss to Henry only. Fee need to discuss, please discuss to Henry. Okay. The server access provided. Server access, how much will be required for clear examination only. So that is okay. So we discuss with whom. Okay, that he can discuss to Henry only for fee. Okay, for fee can discuss to Henry Pratibha. So I can ask any questions. You can ask students. Can the fee can discuss to Henry. So okay, you will get a certification. Okay. So any other issues you can any other questions you can ask about SAP Pico is different from SD. Yeah, SAP Pico is different from SD only. So about placement, Henry will support you. About placement, FICO is accounts only. FICO means completely accounts. FICO completely different. That is only accounts. After sales, they can analyze the accounts. Okay, how much percentage got? What are the profit and loss accounts? The duration of the course is this is only 45 to 50 hours only. This course is hours only in between. Does Henry have their own job portal? So Henry is providing even this okay internship also can provide. Henry will provide okay job assurance by referral or you have link to your company. Yes, I have. Yes, I am currently working in TCS. If you require, I will help you also. I will provide a reference also. Okay. I provide reference, don't worry. I provide reference, don't worry. Reference and recommendation also provide. If you have good knowledge, we want to, okay, I provide the reference message, don't worry. But required also I will provide. I will reference also. So any other questions, students? Any other questions? So any doubts? Any question ask? Any questions? Any doubts? Somebody asking questions, right? Okay. Okay, what about background verification? Easy to clear. So know about that. The background verification is very clear. No issue with that. No issue of background verification. background verification. Call BGV. No issue with background verification. So that you can discuss personally. Okay, in class. Okay, don't worry about that. So background verification, students. No doubt about that. So, sir, what if you are not able to attend one class or middle class? So we have documentation there. Suppose if you miss any class, we have videos. Videos are available. Every session videos are available. Class notes also available. Videos, class notes are available. If you miss any section, both are available. Don't worry about that. The videos and the class notes are available. Suppose you miss one section, the video available and the class notes also available. Just maybe you in previous section also. How do you build our resume or prove yourself to get in SAP career request? So I will provide. So I will help you for resume preparation also. I will help you for resume preparation, etc. Don't worry about that. I am a trainer, so I can support you. I will help you for resume preparation also. The degree percentage matter in hiring process? No, that doesn't matter. The percentage is not a matter. No matter. No. The degree percentage doesn't matter. So whatever your percentage, that doesn't matter. That is doesn't matter. So you simply learn SAP. The degree percentage is not a matter. So you can learn SAP. Will you provide SAP access for practice? Yes. Yeah, access will provide. That S4 server access will provide. S4 server will provide by NG only. S4 server will provide by NG. How many rounds of interview you have? Majorly that in this SAP have only 3 rounds of interview. Three rounds of interviews are there. Two technical, one HR round. SAP access for how many months? They given I think 3 months access. Susmita, okay. Susmita asking question. That SAP access only they given 3 months time. What are the rounds of interviews? The technical and functional. We have 3 technical rounds here. 3 rounds of technical. Technical 2 rounds. Somebody asking interview rounds. Technical is technical 2. HR 1 round. HR 1 round. 3 rounds. Okay. So ask questions, students. Any doubts? Any questions you can ask. Okay. Any other doubts you can ask? Any other questions? Any doubts you can ask? So currently you are working in which company? Yes, I am currently working in TCS as a lead SAP lead consultant. I am working in TCS as a lead consultant. I am a team lead in TCS. Since we have to do project, technical in the sense of we have to do project or not. So technical means technical 2 rounds. What are there? Will you get a second chance or chance at another interview once rejected? Yes, that is the given 6 months time period for top companies, not all companies, only big companies like TCS and Infosys and Tech Mahindra, Wipro, these IBM, these companies. Yeah, any other questions, students? Any other doubts? Any other questions you can ask? Any doubts? Any questions? You can ask. So I will okay. Suppose if you get any doubts, also you can ping me this number, mail also. This is my mail ID. This is my mail ID. You can ping me. Okay. You can ping also. Okay. So how is working? Okay, how is working as SAP consultants? How is working as SAP consultant means no questions. How is working as SAP consultant means that is good here. Work-life balance very nice. Work-life balance is very nice. Okay. Career growth is it stressful? No stress in SAP. No stress. No stress in SAP. No stress here. No stress. Career growth and all very good career growth. Good career in SAP. Good career only. Good career growth. Good career in SAP. Any other doubts, students? Any other questions you can ask? Any other questions you can ask? Even you can attend the class from anywhere. Thank you so much for the session. Okay. Any doubts, any questions, somebody asking questions, right? So it is 9 hours job or we have to be ready in time work. Actually, I was having a long career gap. It is okay. So long career gap means okay, it is okay to learn it. Yes, long career gap, yes, okay. Okay, okay, Shushmita. You are from which location? Long career is no issue. Even if you have gap in 5 years, also no issue for girls. 5 months, or 5 years, 6 years, no issue. What is the duration of getting a place once you go to completion? So duration you can get within 2 to 3 months only. So duration is only okay, 2 rounds. Okay, somebody asking 2 rounds, right? The 2 rounds, what are the topics? The same technical only. The 2 rounds they can not only technical interviews. So those 2 rounds they can ask for technical round interviews only. So even if you get any more doubts, you can reach out to me also. Given here, I have ID. If you get more doubts, you can reach out to this ID only. In future, okay. Suppose after class also get some issues, you can reach out to me. Somebody asked me about the course or aptitude. There is no aptitude here, only course. That interview means only course only. There is no okay. That's very simple. There is no optical test here. Did you clear the global certification? Yes, you can clear. Yes, you can clear. Yes, you can clear. Yes. Can you phone number also please share my because we got that got like from the someone. Can you share your mail ID? My mail ID also okay. Mail ID you can share. You can speak to him. My mail ID also can share. You can discuss. What is the mail ID? I shared mail ID also. You can reach out. You can discuss about Henry. Can discuss to the people. You can provide Henry also. Henry number is there, right? Can you share your mail ID also? Okay. Mail ID also shared. Okay. So Henry number also not there with you. Henry number also available, right? Henry. Okay. So somebody is teach connect with you, right? Okay. So you can discuss to them. Somebody connect with you, right? You can then discuss with them. Any questions, students? Any doubts? So MBA marketing students, SAP SD is good option for anybody. So you can learn SD on SD good option. SD is a good option, students. SD is a good option. SD is a good option. For MBA, SD is a good option. SD is a good option. SD is a good option only. You can choose it on SD. So that is your interest, but so management SD is a good feature. You can choose it. It is easy to get a job after having the engineering degree. Easy to get a job means you can prepare properly. Definitely get a good job. Somebody asking questions. Okay, please provide me more knowledge about SAP certification. So SAP certification means once you done the course, you can prepare this examination. You can write examination through online. Okay, this is the 6 attempts. You can get the certificate, SAP Global certificate. Yes, I will teach on the basics only. Diksha asking. Basics only, Diksha. Yeah, I can please share me the Henry contact number or something. Ask. So Henry contact number, okay. We have to internship. Yes, internship also provide Henry. Henry provide internship also. I know. 2 minutes only. For examination, you have to register separately. Yes, for examination point of view, you can register separately. For examination point of view, can register separately. Any other questions? Any other questions, doubts? Okay, thank you for joining, students. Any other doubts? For examination, you have to how much package for freshers? Already I tell you that 4 to 6 lakhs package for freshers. 4 to 6 lakhs package for freshers. Okay. Thank you for joining, students. Thank you for joining section. So all the best for you. Learn SAP. So we have bright future. SIP. Okay, please share the Henry number. Henry number means 1 minute. I have one Henry number. I will share to you. Somebody asked me Henry number also, right? Keep in okay, 1 minute only. Henry number means. Wait, Henry number asking, right? Asking any number. I will share any number also. So that any number can discuss and join them. Okay, at any number. Okay, students, any doubts? Any questions? Okay, thank you for joining, students. Have a nice day. Okay, any doubts, students? Is it working or weekends also? No weekends. Okay, weekends. No weekends. The job is only for weekly 5 days only. For a software, only weekdays. No, only 5 days per week. Only weekdays only. Job only weekdays. Yes, the software company job only weekdays only. Okay, sure. So thank you for any other questions. You can ask for another 2 minutes are left for me. Okay. Thank you for joining. I am Ajia signing off. Thank you, students. Thank you for joining. All the best. I'm signing off, Ajia.